Hello and welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. It is December 5th, so you'll see this on the 6th. So yes, it's 6. I am making myself some breakfast. I have some water boiling, and I'm going to put in a couple of eggs to make myself some hard-boiled eggs. It's sort of a standard, easy breakfast I make for myself. I let this go for like 15 seconds or so, and then I put the lid on and turn the burner off, let it sit there for 12 minutes. It's perfect for 2 eggs. It's a little underdone for me if I try to do more eggs, so 2 eggs is what I have perfected. So there we go, 12 minutes, I'll have breakfast. And I was going to open my jam, which I don't think I can do one-handed. There we go. So not too much from this back there, and see what we've got for today. They're already out one-handed. Oh my goodness. There we go. So today we have pear. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what that says. I'm gonna have to get my glasses. Sucks getting older. So it is pear and cocoa nibs spread. That is super interesting. So I will definitely be trying this. I wonder how much chocolate flavor we're gonna get from this, but it definitely has little bits of you can see, has the cocoa nibs in it. So I'll let you know what I think about that. I'm gonna go just fix my 3rd cup of coffee, and we'll see you probably when I prepare for lunch. Speaking of my coffee, I took a little video of that and being made. I wanted to talk about our new coffee maker. We just got this on Black Friday sale. I got a Ninja Dual Brew, so it will do both pods and pots of coffee. And that's pretty interesting. It's been great so far. It's worked perfectly. The coffee tastes good. We were using a Keurig before, just pods, but when it's both my husband and I home for the whole day, we end up going through a lot of pods, and we wanted to be able to, get some grounds and try those kinds of coffee. So we decided to go ahead and get one that did both rather than having like a separate one, because this one seemed like it got good reviews. And so far so good. We've only had it for about a week, but maybe I'll do another review of that later. We'll see. So it's evening already. It's like almost 5 o'clock, and the kids just left for Taekwondo. I picked them up. It was early release day, and I got a sandwich from Jimmy John's for me and for one for them to split, because they always come home hungry. Whatever. Picked up an order from Wegmans because we needed half and half for our coffee, and a few other things, just, staples. But I did have to end up having to go into Trader Joe's, which is right there, because they were out of hazelnuts, and I needed some for the recipe that I want to make this weekend. So I had to go to Trader Joe's to get those. Also got a big bar of chocolate of there you go, 70% dark chocolate, which I like for things that need a lot of chocolate. I find the stuff at Trader Joe's is fine. I don't know. It might not be the absolute best, but I think it's good. I like it. And some chili and garlic cashews. We'll try those. That's not for a recipe. Those things are. Had to get a loaf of bread and some brie. We're going to have that with our dinner. I pulled out some of the spiced winter squash soup that I made. It's probably been almost a year now, or if not more than a year. But it's been in my freezer. It's fine. We're going to heat that up for dinner. I'll link the recipe up there. Yeah, up there. For that, the video that I made for that. And yeah, that's about it. Ooh, I will have another advent calendar to show you because it finally got here. And I'll show you guys that in a little bit.
Because this was shipped.
3.
5. 6.
Mommy said we're doing 3 today.
We're doing 5.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So
What is she gonna get in 1?
I don't know how to open this thing. Truffle, sit back down.
Sit.
the last advent calendar, well, maybe the last one that we have is for the dog. Truffle, say hi. She's very interested.
You're too eager, Truffle.
There we go. We got so many Tweetos in 1.
Okay, this one is a multiple Cheeto thing.
My children cannot open anything normally.
It's so normally opened. I don't know what you're talking about.
Trouble.
Let's try just comfort. How's it taste?
She liked it.
She's not sure about it?
How's it taste?
She says,
Swear, get out of here.
"No."
You have to
Yeah.
do the washing of dishes. How about 2 of them? What you feel about? No, 2 of them.
She says, I need
That
to
one
do
at a
it
time.
time.
Tonight, for our Scotch Advent calendar, we have a 4-year-old from the Islay region. From, oh goodness, I can't read it.
Got your readers.
Old lady glasses. I'm telling you, the font plus the actual words. Caolila, Caolila. I don't know how to pronounce that. Despite the fact that my father is Scottish, I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway, so this is it from First Fill Madeira barrels. And it should be smoky. We haven't really had a smoky one yet, but this region is the one where they make the peaty, smoky scotches the most. So. I haven't been drinking yet, I swear. So this one is a dark one, a little bit dark, well, definitely darker than the one 2 nights ago, maybe a little bit darker than last night. It smells like smoke. A lot of smoke, a little bit of sweetness, very burny, not super smooth. Yeah, it's a little bit sweet, rich smoke, juicy berries, sweet malt. That I get all that. It's it is definitely smoky. So if you do not like smoky, these whiskeys would not be the ones for you. But it's not so much that it's off-putting. There are some where it is really, really, really smoky, but this is not that. So I like the aftertaste. The burning's gone, but I still sort of taste the whiskey. I like that a lot. So it's just the burning I don't like. Anyway, that's it for Vlogmas Day 6, December 5th. And we'll see you tomorrow for another one.